Well friends, here is problem number 45. Before moving to the problem, I will read the given direction. In the following questions, a set of two figures are given as problem figure. Find which one of the following alternative figures would be formed if the first figure is superimposed on the second figure. So this is the given direction. Now coming to this given figure. So here I am having two figures. This is first and this is second figure. And we have to find superimposed figure, and four alternatives are given and we have to select one of the correct. So before moving to that problem, I will explain what is the superimposed figure. I will take this as the first figure. Okay, this I will take first figure, and then I will take one more figure and I will call this as second figure. This is my first figure and this is my second figure. Now we have to superimpose this second figure on first figure and we have to get the superimposed figure. What is superimpose? You have to take this second figure and place this on the first figure. That is called superimpose. You have to take the second figure and just exactly place on the first figure and you will get superimposed figure. I think you imagined the superimposed figure of these two given figures. So how that will look? Yes, I will draw this here. This will look like this. Is it not? Yes, it is the figure which is formed by superimposing the second figure on the first figure. Using the same concept, we have to find the superimposed figure of these first and second figure. Now I will take that. We'll take that figure. So here in the first figure I am having a semicircle which is present at the top of the rectangle, and also this is present at the left end. It is present at the left end and it is a dark semicircle. And in the same figure I am having one more semicircle and this is a blank and it is present at the bottom of the rectangle, and also it is present at the right end of that rectangle. And one more thing, you can see that if you divide this rectangle into two parts, this will appear at the bottom of that rectangle, bottom part of that rectangle, and this semicircle will appear at the top of that part of rectangle. So if you divide this rectangle into two parts like this, then this will appear at the bottom of the part of the rectangle and this will appear at the top of that rectangle. Now coming to second figure, in the second figure I am having one more semicircle which is blank, and this is present at the top of the rectangle and it is present at the left hand side. Now moving to second semicircle which is dark and it is present at the top of the semicircle. Okay, now considering these points I can find the superimposed figure. So superimposed figure will appear like this. So here is the first given figure I will take. Okay, I am having a semicircle here and I am having one more semicircle which is dark. Okay, and the second figure is like this. Okay, I am having here a blank semicircle and I am having, yes, I am having a dark semicircle here. If this comes, or if you place this on the first figure, you will get the image like this. You will get the image like this. I will have this and I also have this line, and this will come upside because it is exactly, if you divide this rectangle into two parts, this semicircle will appear at the top. So this will appear like this. Okay, this is a dark semicircle. Now I'm also having a blank semicircle which is at the bottom of that. If you divide this into two parts, this will appear at the bottom. So this will come here. Now here I am having a dark semicircle which is present here. Okay, and I'm having a blank semicircle here, and that will appear here. Okay, now I'm having one more line here, and that has to be drawn like this. So this will be my superimposed figure. Okay, I think I missed one line here, which is, yes, this line I missed here, so I will draw this line here. So this will be the exact superimposed figure formed by superimposing the second figure on the first figure. Now just compare this figure with the given four alternatives, and that will be, or whichever option matches with this figure, that will be our right option. So first option is here. Do you match with this? Do the first option matches with the drawn figure here? Is it matching? Is it matching? No, it is not matching because the inclined line is not present here. This inclined line is not present in the first figure. So that will be the wrong option. Now moving to second option. In the second option, yes, in the second option you can see, yes, it is exactly matching with this drawn figure. So the second option will be the right option. So this is how we solve this example. There is no need of solving, or there is no need of drawing this figure. If you just imagine the superimposed figure formed by superimposing the second figure on the first figure, you can just eliminate the wrong options and then finally come to right option. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.